Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving deep into Sony's next-generation mirrorless flagship, the much anticipated and heavily rumored Sony A7V. If you're a fan of cutting-edge camera tech, hybrid shooting capabilities, and pro-level performance packed into a semi-pro body, this is the video for you. In this extensive breakdown, we're going to explore everything we know so far about the Sony A7V, from the earliest leaks and specification rumors to the top 10 anticipated features, competitive positioning, community reactions, and even the expected release date and price. Let's kick things off by understanding why the A7V is such a big deal. The Sony A7V, a true successor to the A7 IV. Sony's Alpha series has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible in mirrorless photography and videography. The A7 IV raised the bar significantly when it launched, offering excellent photo and video performance for hybrid creators. However, according to multiple credible leaks and industry insiders, the upcoming A7V isn't just a minor upgrade. Sony is reportedly going all-in, making massive improvements that redefine the series. From sensor technology and video capabilities to autofocus intelligence and body ergonomics, the A7V is being groomed as a major leap forward. It aims to be the most powerful Alpha 7 series camera yet, perfectly positioned between the A7R series and Sony's professional-level Alpha. 1. Let's break down the rumored specs and features piece by piece. Leaked specification rundown. Sensor. One of the most hotly debated aspects is the sensor. Leaks suggest the A7V will feature either a 33-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor for ultra-fast readout or a 44-megapixel non-stacked sensor. Delivering extremely high resolution while maintaining fast performance, the sensor is expected to deliver up to 20 frames per second FPS in continuous burst mode, significant improvement over the 10 FPS in the A7 IV. Autofocus and AI. Sony continues to lead in autofocus technology, and the A7V is expected to include a next-generation AI autofocus chip. This chip will dramatically improve real-time subject tracking (IAF) for humans and animals. Predictive focus capabilities for fast-moving objects, EVF and body. The body of the A7V is expected to be closely aligned with the flagship A1 II, meaning better heat dissipation, stronger weather sealing, ergonomic improvements for prolonged shooting. Additionally, the electronic viewfinder EVF will likely be a 5.76 million OLED panel, providing ultra-high resolution fast refresh rates 120 Hz or higher, better brightness and contrast for accurate framing video. This is where the A7V really begins to shine. According to several sources, it will support uncropped 4K, recording at up to 120 fps. Improved heat dissipation will allow longer record times without shutdowns, enhanced color science and dynamic range from Cinetone profiles 10-bit for 2:2:2 internal recording, burst and buffer with up to 20 fps, burst and raw format, and a robust buffer size. The A7V is tailor-made for sports photography, wildlife capture, high-action sequences. Top 10 anticipated features. Let's explore the top 10 features that are generating the most buzz around the Sony A7V. 1. High resolution sensor. Whether Sony goes with the 33MP stacked or 44MP non-stacked sensor, we're looking at superior detail, dynamic range, and low light performance. 2. 20 FPS raw burst shooting. This is double the continuous burst capability of the A7 IV, ideal for action photographers who need speed without sacrificing quality. 3. 4K 120 fps video, uncropped. Finally, a feature many videographers have been craving: high frame rate 4K with no crop. Great for cinematic slow-motion footage, creative storytelling for AI-driven autofocus, with real-time object recognition and improved eye face detection. The new AI chip will revolutionize how you capture moments, especially moving subjects. 5.76 m. EVF. Expect a much sharper, more immersive shooting experience with the upgraded old EVF. It's ideal for both photography and video composition. 6. A1 II class body and LCD screen. The body will mirror Sony's flagship models with premium build quality and a multi-angle LCD screen, perfect for vloggers, YouTubers, and pro users. 7. Advanced heat control. Improved thermal engineering means less overheating during long video shoots or stable performance in high-demand environments. 8. Enhanced internal processing. We're expecting dual processors or an enhanced Bions XR engine to handle the increased data load for video and high-speed photography. 9. Improved IBIS. In-body image stabilization, Sony is likely to push beyond the 5.5 stops offered in the A7IV, ensuring even more stability for handheld shooting. 10. Modern connectivity suite. In a world of remote workflows and mobile editing, connectivity is king. The A7V is expected to include dual Express Type A SD slots, full-size HDMI USB-C, 3.24 faster data transfer Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.3. Competitive. A positioning Sony is clearly positioning the A7V to dominate the hybrid mirrorless segment. It fills the gap between the A7IV high-performing enthusiast camera. The A7RV Ultra Resolution, the Alpha 1 flagship professional model, displaces the A7V head-to-head with Canon EOS R6 Mark II, Nikon Z6 III, Panasonic S5 IIX. Sony wants this camera to win over hybrid shooters, travel vloggers, event photographers. Independent filmmakers' release date and pricing, originally rumored for fall 2024, is pushed back too early or mid-2025. Most recent leaks point to Q4 2025, October to December. Sony has already registered the model in Asia, which typically signals an impending announcement within 6 to 9 months. Expected price. The A7IV launched at approximately $2,500. The A7V is expected to come in around $3,000 USD or 3,500 euros. Depending on region and currency, this reflects the added value of AI, video upgrades and body improvements. Fan and community reaction. The reaction from the Sony Alpha community has been mixed but passionate. Excitement, finally. True hybrid powerhouse that can replace both my A7IV and FX30. Sony's AI tracking is already the best. This will be next level. Frustration? Delays are killing the hype. First fall 2024, then early 2025, now Q4, was ready to upgrade a year ago. This tension stems from Sony's reputation for rapid innovation and user expectations to match. Regardless, the A7V has generated more online buzz than almost any other alpha camera this year. Market context. Why it matters. Sony is facing stiff competition. Canon's dual-pixel AF 2.0 is catching up Nikon's Z6 II. I brought major video and sensor gains. Panasonic's latest models offer superb stabilization and color science. The A7V isn't just another alpha, it's a statement. Sony is doubling down on AI integration, future-proof video capabilities. Pro-level ergonomics in a sub-$3,000 body if it delivers on even 80% of these leaks. The A7V will likely be the best-selling full-frame mirrorless camera of 2025. Final thoughts? In conclusion, the Sony A7V is shaping up to be one of the most versatile, powerful, and creator-focused mirrorless cameras ever made. Whether you're a photographer looking to capture fast-moving subjects or a videographer needing top-tier 4K capabilities, the A7V might be the perfect fit. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the Sony A7V. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest leaks, reviews, and tech deep dives. Let me know in the comments what feature you're most excited about on the A7V. Till next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.